So hey baby girl. So y'all see I'm using expression hair. I only use 2 packs. It may have been 1, but I'm pretty sure it's 2. But yes, I'm just stretching out the hair. I cut, like, once I took a bundle out, because y'all know it had 2 bundles in it. I cut it in half, and then I stretched like the other side out. Y'all see that's what I'm doing now. But just take it strand by strand, stretching it, and I'm just placing it on the rack, like bigger pieces to smaller pieces, and they're all about the same size because these braids are kind of big, so you don't want them to be too far off. But yeah, so we just section out the hair. That's what we're doing right now, baby girl. And then now I'm showing y'all my products. My product band, Shine and Jam, the yellow jar. She has one edge control. I got some new edge control that everybody love, but y'all will see that in like the upcoming videos, or like y'all probably won't see that till like August or September. To be honest, if I'm being honest. But yeah, so I'm just sectioning off the back of her hair. Like, I put 2 braids in the back because like that's what I saw like a lot of people doing. Now that I think about it later, I probably should have did 3, or like made this part a little lower down just a little bit. But either way, it still worked out. It was still cute. Beauty of a savior, you are wonderful, God. And I use the Shine Gem to define my parts. Yeah, that's what y'all see me doing now, just to make it like straighter, smoother, whatever, sleeker. And every time my sister tells me that she blow dried her hair, like I'd be like, yay, until I get to her hair, and then I'm like fighting through her hair. So I'd be like, yay that she attempted, but I'd be like, baby girl, let me teach you how to blow dry your hair, because girl, it be the struggle, but we make it through every time. But yeah, so y'all see I just separated into 3 sections: braid 1, and then add hair, braid 2, braid 3, then when I get back to that side again, add more hair. And this is basically what I do like throughout her whole head, like with knotless or whatever. And I added little curly pieces because like I know some people had curly pieces, which I will show y'all later in the video, like what kind of curly hair I use. But it was Model deep twist hair, like the Model brand. We usually use the Free Tress or the Model. Both of them are good quality. But yeah, I really hope y'all can hear me, because if not, this will be sad. I'll be very much so upset. But anyways, y'all, so I'm just braiding down to the end of her hair, and then I'm going to add a rubber band on like where she wants it to stop. And if you're like her hair is like not too far off from where I put the rubber band. Okay, y'all see me tying it up right here, but that's not necessary since I put the rubber band on there. But I think I only tied it on like that one or something. But yeah, and I also put edge control, like a little bit of the edge control that I had in the back, like on the nape of her neck. Like that's where y'all see me combing it out right there, because like her hair curls up really easily. Like especially like in the nape of her neck, because like her hair is like really short, like in the back, like nape of her neck, and it like never grows. Like it just is like one little section that like never grows, and it's really curly and really short. So yeah, I made sure I put edge control as well as the Shine and Jam right there, just to give it the extra hold, so it'll be able to last longer, and she could just like preserve her style without the back of her neck looking crazy. But yeah, so yeah, I just put a rubber band on that one too. The first 2 braids look oh so cute, y'all. This is the it's actually beach twist, but it's basically almost the same as deep twist. But yeah, you can use any type of curl that you want. It's just up for your preference, like what you want. But yeah, y'all see I got the hot comb out because she wanted dramatic edit. I can't even talk, y'all. She wanted dramatic edit that day. Jesus, what in the world? Okay, anyways. She wanted dramatic edges. So yeah. So like I usually ask my clients, do they mind me hot combing their edges? Like if they want dramatic edges, like if they want like simple edges, I don't really have to hot comb them. or anything, but like they want dramatic where like for sure it's gonna be like a lot of extra hair out, then I'll probably most likely hot comb them just to make sure they stay longer and help them to like lay flatter, like y'all y'all see. But yeah, and like I'll curl them later a little bit. So yeah, so I just moved out her edges out the way, and yeah, and y'all see how I split her hair in half, like, and then I just did like, okay, however many braids was on this row, like 2 or 3, and then I moved to the next row. Yeah, I found out that was like helping me slow down. So like now more recently I've been going across the whole row, go ahead and parting it, so that helps like improve my time a little, just a little bit, just a teensy weeny bit. but yeah, so yeah, that's what we doing. We just braiding, adding out braiding. Y'all probably like, this girl is talking way too much. I done talked 6 minutes of this time. I'm so sorry. I don't even know what I have to talk about. But yeah, so y'all see I'm coming through her hair just to get like the tangles out, because I said when she low dried it, I was fighting through her hair, but we made it through in the name of Jesus. But yeah, so, and I think on this one is when I remembered to add the curly hair. So yeah, y'all see I just add the curly hair like at the bottom and then pull it up. Y'all see me pulling it up right now, and just like move it out the way, and I continue to braid down. So yeah, it's just like it's easy as that, like as simple as that. I added more curly pieces to her hair, but I think this is the only time that I showed y'all me literally adding the piece of curly hair. And y'all see me hot combing her hair again. The smoke that y'all see, that is not her hair burning off, okay? This is just the product like from hair that I put on her, like the Shining Gem or whatever. So it's not her hair burning off, okay? Anyways, yeah. Oh my god, for the dot! Alright, I'm gonna see y'all.
What about some block?
Oh wait. Alright, I'm gonna try to show y'all the last braid, and then I gotta go. But this is it, y'all.
You need to babe?
Yeah, I'm gonna be back. Yeah. Okay, now I'm done with her hair, and y'all see me put in a lot of body foaming mousse. I don't know if I showed y'all that or not. I think I did. And I'm just wrapping her hair on the flexi rod from the end like on up, because like when I do it from the end, it helps me to like not have the hair unravel better. But like when I do it from like the top to the bottom, then it can be likely to unravel. So I found this way better.
You are wonderful, God. Oh, my creator, God. You are a wonderful God.
Okay, now we have the Tropical Roots foaming mousse, baby girl. Y'all, I love this mousse. Like, I don't really like the smell. Like, the smell is okay, it could be better, but like the product, the results that it give, I really like it. Like for my braid styles, like I really like it. Like I use the lighter body and stuff for the edges, because it just seems like lighter, softer on the edges. But like for like the braid, like the whole head or whatever, baby, I am using my Tropical Roots, baby girl. So y'all see me just dipping in. I almost put them in all like at once, but then I was like, girl, that is not working out, so I had to put them in like one by one. So I did like 3 braids at a time, or maybe 4. And then I just took it out, patted it dry, and then y'all see me put it down. And some of these, like maybe like 1 or 2 of the curls didn't curl properly, like because once it got in the water, it kind of unraveled a little bit. So I had to end up fixing that somehow later in the video, but we made it work, baby girl. But yeah, so y'all see me using Pump It Up spritz, and I use that like once I unravel the curl, I spray it on the curl a little bit just to make sure it is intact, it's gonna stay, it's not gonna fall, but it holds. Okay, and it doesn't leave the curl crunchy or anything like that. Like it literally feels like normal. But yeah, it just helps like make sure it's gonna stay. And y'all see that curl in the middle, that was the one that was like acting a little weird, but yeah, we made it work. And I'm just making sure everything is even. Y'all excuse my appearance, like from the beginning of the video to now, girl, I look a hot mess in the background. And then don't even mind the next clip, because I look even worse if y'all see me. But yeah, anyways, it gets better. But y'all see I'm literally curling her edges, And I've learned, like, somebody said to curl them upward, so I may buy the little smaller flatter and curl it upward, because there was like a curling one that I was using. And like a lot of my clients, they don't like the edge process because they be like, the brush hurt. But I be like, girl, do you want your edges to look cute, or do you want to care about this brush? But I be trying to be gentle, but I'm like, if you want your edges to last, I'm sorry, you got to take this for a second, 1 second, okay? But yeah, so y'all can see a little bit of how I'm doing the dramatic edges, because y'all literally always ask me, and I'm like, girl, what edge control you use? What edge? Girl, how you do your edge? Anyways, y'all, the video is almost over. So once I only showed y'all one side of me doing her edges, because the other side we had to go. It was Sunday morning, we was rushing. Anyways, so this ended the video basically, kind of almost. So bye, just hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, my name is Angelina, so hello. Click subscribing down below to become beauty like me. And yeah, just stay tuned for more videos. And right now is showing the final reveal, like Angelica posing or whatever. And yeah, of the overall hairstyle. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye, beauties.